How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to explain how to use Power 3 model of ICT, and I'm also going to teach uh, how to use it in your training and what you could have done today during a London session. In my opinion, even if you don't know the bias, the narrative you're trading, price is going to tell you what it's more like going to do during that. So even if you don't know what happened during London here, this London session, this is Asian session, even if you don't know what is going to happen and where's price likely to go, price literally tells you what it's going to do after, from session to session to session to day to week and etc. If you look at this, during Asian session and before Asian session, we were accumulating a lot. We were in this range. Price was not doing anything at all, just generating liquidity, getting more sell stops, generating sell stops. There's stops here, everywhere here on these lows, right? That's the retail mindset. So what you should actually do is how to use this for your advantage. Uh, it's called the ICT Power 3 accumulation, manipulation, distribution model, whatever you want to call, it doesn't matter. So let me measure this. This is yeah, we got rejected from the consequent encroachment of this wick as well. And how you should use this. This is the accumulation phase, right? We were consolidating in this range, doing nothing else. During London, or before London, yeah, before London open, London opens at 2 a.m. Before London open, we literally wicked down, manipulated all these lows, sell stops. We're in this week's consecutive encroachment, 50% of that week, and we distributed up to the buy side. Let's make it green. This is literally it. All price does, like if you uh, train your eyes, every price only does this every time. It accumulates, it manipulates, and it distributes. That's what price does every time. Even if in this little move you can see price were accumulating, manipulation, distribution. That's what price does. That's nothing else. Price, this is an accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's what price does every single day on any pair, everywhere. So how you should have entered this, let's explain that now. So as we said during London, before London opened, we manipulated these lows. Also, we took this sell side liquidity here that makes this low a good low, a strong low that shouldn't be taken if you are right. So what do we see here? We see this volume imbalance. We see this fair value gap that formed here. Also, we had a market structure shift to the upside. MSS after everything. This setup doesn't mean anything. You need to have the accumulation, manipulation, distribution is going to where you're going to trade, but this setup doesn't mean anything if you're wrong about the direction. So when we take this liquidity out and manipulate this sell stops, we displace up with big candles, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles, which means the algorithm wants to go up. Like price literally tells you it wants to go up after all that. So we had a market structure shift here. We, it's up to you. You can enter on this CISD, but you would have missed, I think. Yeah, you would have missed. So in this case, what you should have done and be correct, you should have entered on this fair value gap. Put yourself more safe, safe is better. Like if you put your stop here, it's better for you. But you can go tighter, maybe below this breaker. This is the breaker blocks. Below this would be a good option as well. This below the candle is much more tighter, and this is the minimum you should be doing, but it's risky in my opinion. I would have put my stop on the low, or at least on below this breaker. Let's explain what this is a breaker. This 4 up close candles is a breaker because if you if you look at it, we have a low, high, lower low, and higher high. So we broke structure here, and we this down up close candles failed to be an order block, so it's a breaker. These 4 up close candles are breakers. So yeah, at least I would have put my stop below here. I didn't enter this to be honest because I was not on the charts. I just wanted to do the hindsight teaching now. So you would have entered here, stop on the low, and target whatever you want. The opposing liquidity, it's up to your plan. Uh, it's up to you. Maybe this high, and price went to 123.7. So I would have put my target on this high. So my full TP would have got hit. So I think this is it. There's not much to talk about. Uh, I was not active because I didn't have time to make videos and stuff, but I'll try to upload more videos soon. So join the Discord and follow me on socials to keep you guys updated. See ya.